What's up, guys? This is M. Joseph Emmanuel, your Visual Studio coder.
So today in this video we are going to learn about HTML basic document structure. Okay, so before knowing about that, let's know what is HTML. What the heck is that? Okay, I have created a presentation, so let's go into the uh, actually what is HTML? Okay. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. So it's just the full form. HTML is short form and its full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Just as like BGMI stands for Battleground Mobile Media, WWW stands for World Wide Web. So it's the abbreviation. And second, HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. Okay, first, I don't know what is web pages. I want to show you that web pages. Okay, I want to minimize this and I will go to Google Chrome. You can see this as you go to Google Chrome, you will get this page. This is also one web page, and if you go to Maps, this is another web page, and if you go to News, this is another web page. So these are the web pages. Okay. Uh, so HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. So I want to create a web page and I require HTML further. So there is the link between HTML and a web page. Okay, uh, how beautiful you want to build web page, and if you want to make a web page to be attractive and uh, and all these images, links, paragraphs, these are the structures, and we require HTML for that. And HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. They will be HTML elements. Don't worry about that. I will let you know in about the later videos. Okay. Uh, it contains some elements. HTML contains of a series of elements, and HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Okay. Your browsers means you should not only do Google Chrome. There are Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, uh, Opera GX, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and so many of them. But I require that Google Chrome is the best one of these. Okay, so HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content of the page. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a ending, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. So uh, don't worry about HTML elements now. Surely you will know later. This is a heading. This is what. Uh, Let me minimize this and and I'm going to Google Chrome. You can see this YouTube. Uh, when I am handling my mouse on this YouTube, you can see this hand. So this hat means it's that it's showing link. and when I coming this, it becoming normal. So this is a link. This is a YouTube link. This is a WhatsApp link. This is Amazon Dorian link. This is Pansoint link. This is Canva link, and this is and you can add. Okay, so these are the links. So HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link. Okay, so now we are going to know about HTML basic document structure. Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So now I am opening the Visual Studio Code. Yeah, you can see also this is a link. This is a link, and this is also a, when you're seeing the hand showing one finger on others, it is a link. Okay, first of all, let's minimize and go to this PC, and you can go to the disks except uh, local disk C. Uh, I want to go to this disk and create a folder with your name. Uh, my name is Joseph Emmanuel. Okay, and go to this folder and create a folder called HTML. Okay, and go to this folder and create another folder called HTML basic. Okay, and uh, here the here the programs will do whatever related to HTML basic. So first of all, you should go to one disk except local disk C because it contains Windows, and if anything will be formatted your or will be gone. Okay, if you select other disks it will be safe. Okay, first you should create a folder with your name. As my name is Sim Joseph Emmanuel, I'm create a folder Joseph Emmanuel. You also don't create Joseph Emmanuel, you should create your by your name. Okay, and you should create another HTML folder in the folder which you have created by using your name. And in HTML folder, you should create another folder called HTML basic, right? Okay, I'm going to Visual Studio Code, and you can see these two pages Explorer, Control plus Shift plus C. Okay, right. I'm pressing Control plus B. Hmm. You have now to change your booty folder to open folder. So uh, let's open folder now. Okay, I'm going to this PC and local disk D, Joseph Emmanuel, HTML page, and click on select folder. Okay, uh, as you click, you can see this HTML basic. You can see this plus symbol with page. It says new file. Just click on the and name the file. What we shall name. I'm naming HTML basic document structure, and After naming, make sure that you type dot htm or html. Okay, then press enter. You can see this as you press enter. The same will appear here and here. Okay, I'm pressing Control plus play. The first step what you should know is doc type HTML. Doc type HTML, the line of code in HTML file, should be first. It should be mentioned first. Uh, I will tell you one thing here. HTML file without doc type HTML is an HTML file. Okay, we know that all. An HTML file including doc type HTML is an HTML5 file. This is the difference between HTML and HTML5. Don't confuse about that. Only doc type HTML is new. And after doc type HTML, type HTML on your keyboard and hit tab. Okay. Uh, so here after HTML tag, there will be head tag. So type and hit tab. In this head tab, you will create the title of the web page. And what's name it? I will name it HTML basic document structure. Okay, so this is the name of my web page. And go to fifth line and press enter and create a body tab. And in this, we are going to write the code in the body. So body is the main tag. Uh, so let's create something blah blah blah. H1 tab and let's say this is my first heading. Okay, and after press enter and uh, type P and hit tab and let's say this is my first paragraph. Okay, make sure that you have full stop. It's a sentence, no? Okay, P stands for paragraph. Now, so this is the HTML basic document structure, and I'm going to explain it to you. I don't need to explain it to you because Visual Studio Code only explains it to you. That's one of my reasons why I like this Visual Studio Code. Okay, just move over your mouse on this HTML. As you move, one beautiful rectangular box will appear. Say the HTML element represents the root of an HTML document. Okay, uh, so root is important. If you want to do anything in your life, first you must start with basics. You have one root. Okay, and move over your mouse to head, and another beautiful rectangular box will appear. It says the head element represents a collection of metadata for the document. And if I move over title, wow, This time the big box appeared. So let's check it out. The title element represents the document's title or name. Authors should use titles that identify the documents even when they are used out of context. For example, in a user's history or bookmarks or in search results, the document's title is often different from its first heading, since the first heading does not have to stand alone when taken out of context. So, the title is just like a name. Everybody has names, right? Okay, I have a name. My name is M. Joseph Emmanuel. Everybody call me M. Joseph Emmanuel. So, there should also be a name for your web page which you are creating, and we call that name as title. Okay, and okay, and move your mouse to body, and what it says the body element represents the content of the document. So if you want to create a paragraph, links, images, image mapping, uh, you should all create between these body tags. You can see between this sixth line and ninth line. So the body element represents the content of the document. Oh, this is the HTML basic document structure, and I want to see the output of it. Uh, just before seeing, just click on File and Save and minimize this. Wants to refresh, go to this PC, go to your location, local disk D, Joseph Emmanuel, HTML, HTML. Wow, you can see this HTML basic document structure. It was created. Let's open up. Wow, this is my first heading. This is my first paragraph. HTML basic document structure. Wow, our first program success. Claps. Uh, you can see this fourth line of code title HTML basic document structure. The output of this is you can see your HTML basic document structure. Okay, and this is a local file. That's why this circle is up. And you can see these 7 and 8 lines of code. H1, this is my first reading, and P, this is my first paragraph. Actually, the output of this is this is my first heading and this is my first paragraph. Okay, so this is the this is the HTML basic document structure, and this is the input code what we have done until now, and the output of this is this. Okay, and that's all for this video. Just make sure that you smash that bell icon, and thanks for watching this video. And that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video.